Imagine every time you open Blender and you know exactly what every key does before even pressing it. So this is the free tool that can cut your Blender learning time into a half, and I am not exaggerating. So it's an interactive cheat sheet that lives within your browser, and to use that, no sign up, no downloading required. So see this, it's an actual keyboard, and every time I press any key, it will show us the shortcut. So just press any key and it will show exactly what it does. Now watch this. If I switch to the edit mode, the whole keys will be updated. So different modes, different shortcuts, and that's how Blender works. Interestingly, if I hold the shift key, it will show all the shift combination. Same goes for Ctrl and Alt. And there is option for emulate numpad also. As a Blender user, we know it very well. And for the mobile user, or if you prefer browsing, there is a card view where you can filter it out like that, or just search here. It will show me the shortcut. Or even if I search like move, it will show the shortcut like that. And finally, you can download the PDF to open it in another screen or save it in your machine. That way you will have the cheat sheet of 700 plus shortcuts. So the link of this tool is in the description if you want to take it even further. I have also created the add-on called HotkeyBoard. It's the same idea, but that lives within your viewport. So every time you shift the mode, the keys will automatically update. But honestly, the free tool alone can change how you can learn the shortcuts. Thanks for watching. See you again.